Hey folks, Coach Grandpa. Let's try something. You don't always get to aim up here. Sometimes you have to shoot from right here. So let's see my accuracy. Alright? I've never done this. Here goes. Wow, it took me a while to get that in. I'm not impressed with that at all. It's clear. Let's go take a look-see so you can see how scary that is. Alright. Boy, that sun's vicious today, isn't it? Alright. First two shots. Can you see this? First two shots were over here. I hit wood. You guys seen that? Wood. And then I pulled her in. But right there, that's scary, dude. And up here. Dang. That was like my first 4 shots. I winged them. That's a bit scary, eh? Gotta work on that. Alright, thanks for watching.